हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल. माय नेम इज अब्बास दास एंड आज हम लोग आ गए हैं विद अ न्यू एपिसोड एंड टुडे वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट RPA, robotic process automation, and today we have Soumya Mishra with us. She will be talking about RPA. She will be giving an overview of RPA, and in the next segment I will be coming up by installing UiPath, as well as I will be showing you how to automate one of the tasks. And also you can subscribe her channel. Her channel name is Sorted Kitchen, and if you are a bachelor and you do not know how to cook, you can get simple recipes from her. So I have also given the link of the channel in the description. Go check it out. So without delaying anything, let's get started.
Robert,
अबे पूरा रैकेट सर दो कि दे
like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, welcome to Kainato Club. My name is Soumya Mishra. So today we are going to discuss about RPA, which is known as robotic process automation. So let's get started. So what is RPA? Robotics process automation allows organizations to automate tasks just like a human being was doing them across application and systems. The purpose of RPA is to transfer the process execution from humans to bots. RPA can be used to automate workflow, infrastructure, back office process which are labor intensive. So there are some myths of RPA. Number one, coding is required to use RPA software. That's not true. To use RPA tools, one need to understand how the software works on the front end. Point number two, RPA software doesn't require human supervision. That's not true. Humans are needed to program the RPA bot, feed them tasks for automation and manage them. Point number three, only large and big companies can afford to deploy RPA. That's not true. Small to medium sized organizations can deploy RPA to automate their business. However, initial costing will be high, but can be recovered in 4 to 5 years. So what are the best RPA tools? Blue Prism, UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Pega. So these are the best RPA tools we can use. So now let's discuss about what are the advantages of RPA. A human can work average 8 hours a day, whereas a robot can work 24 hours without any tiredness. The average productivity of human is 60% with few errors, as compared to robot productivity, which is 100% without any errors. So where RPA is used, like which industries are using RPA? RPA is mainly used in banking, insurance, retail, manufacturing, healthcare and telecommunication industries. For example, RPA can be used to automate patient registration and billing in healthcare industry. Another example, financial services industry. RPA can be used to automate card activation, fraud claims, discovery, etc. What are the disadvantages of the RPA? The bot is limited to the speed of the application. Even small changes made in the automation application will need to the robots to be configured. So that's all about RPA, robotic process automation. And if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Kainato Club and share this video as much as you can. Subscribe it now.